Technological advances in solar energy panels. In today's video, we're going to talk about technological advances in solar energy panels. Innovations in this field are increasing the efficiency of solar energy panels, contributing to the widespread adoption of eco-friendly energy production. 1. New panel types: monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin-film panels offer different advantages in terms of efficiency and cost. Monocrystalline panels are the most efficient, while polycrystalline panels are more affordable. 2. Thin-film technology. Thin-film technology allows for the production of thinner and lighter panels and provides an advantage in hot regions due to its high-temperature performance. 3. High-efficiency panels. High-efficiency panels produce more energy with less surface area, making them ideal for use in confined spaces. 4. Bifacial panels. Bifacial panels can collect energy from both sides, providing greater energy production capacity. 5. Microinverters. With microinverters independently managing each panel's energy conversion, performance monitoring and maintenance become much easier. These technological advancements are making solar energy panels more efficient, more durable, and more affordable. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.